Other energy initiatives we took on, I suppose the chill beams has an impact on our chillers. Our chillers were extremely efficient. We've gone for efficient fans, we've gone for efficient pumps. One of the interesting outcomes of the design was that we have a free rock wall cooling system, which is passive. We have a 4-storey sandstone rock face in our building, which is adjacent to our atrium. So it works on the same principle as chill beams. It's a big thermal mass. So when the space is being heated up by people in it, that air is cooled by the rock wall, and the rock wall, the cold air falls down the rock wall and basically streams across our atrium and cools our occupants down. Very effective indeed, probably too effective in some cases. We have, from an artificial sort of means, mechanical means, we've obviously got, another passive solution will be our natural lighting. We've got extensive access to natural light throughout the building. I wouldn't say we've got the ideal depth of the floor plate. My view would be similar to Mick's. I think that in Europe, the European model is a lot better. We have like a 12 to 16 max floor plate, which gives you good natural light as well as good cross-flow ventilation. We've got a 21 metre wide floor plate with an atrium on one side and full height glazing on the other. So we've got maximised daylight. We maximise daylight as well through the use of a retractable blind on our north, west and southern facades. So in the morning it's fully retracted, so we're maximising our daylight. Now on our level 4 we've got meeting rooms, we've got rather smart door design, which means that all the doors are open when meetings are on, which maximises daylight into our reception area. From an artificial component to energy efficiency, we've got T5 light fitting, same as sounds like the majority of buildings. I wouldn't, and Paul probably knows more about this than I do, but I think it's wrong for people to just say, oh, T5 brings energy efficiency, because we're doing a project at the moment, Diamond Park 3, which has got T8 light fittings. It's actually more energy efficient to use T8s than it is to use T5s, and it has a lot to do with your grid layout, whether you're open plan, whether you've got offices, etc. So
watts per metre squared is much more important.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So we've got T5 light fittings. We're achieving 6.7 watts per square metre, so we're actually way below anything else I know of. We've got PE cells, motion detectors, the usual gadgets to reduce energy consumption when there's sufficient daylight or there's no need for lights to be on. I think one of our biggest components though is our user education programs that we've had in place.